So today we're comparing two powerful AI tools that promise to make your videos go viral. Opus Clip and Captions both can save you hours of editing time. However, they're built for totally different kinds of creators. Let's see which one's right for you. You've probably seen both pop up online, but here's the catch. Opus Clip is an AI video repurposing tool perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, and educators who want to turn long videos into short, shareable clips. Captions, on the other hand, focuses on short form editing. It does real time dubbing, eye contact correction, and AI generated captions, making it a dream tool for Reels, Shorts, and TikTok creators. But when I put them side by side, the results were completely different. Opus Clip shines in automation. You upload your long video, and it instantly finds the best viral moments, add captions, and reframes everything for social platforms. Captions focuses more on precision. You can edit subtitle styles, fix your eye contact, and even dub your voice in another language, all in real time. So if you want speed and repurposing, Opus wins. If you want creativity and control, Captions takes it. In short, Opus Clip is best for creators who post long content and want to repurpose it fast. Captions is best for short form creators who care about details, visuals, and also engagement. Both are powerful, but they serve different creative styles. Now that you know how they compare, I'll show you my personal workflow, how I use both tools together to create and polish shorts in half the time. Check that out on the next video.